rush to repair the National Stadium running track has fans, administrators, investors, and all stakeholders nervous, hoping that the crash work will work in a timely manner. Remember, there is a big bad boys and girls champs coming up at the end of March. The inaugural Grand Slam event coming up in April. And then the Reggae Boys World Cup qualifiers will resume in June. Now, none of those events will be the same. Indeed, some of them might not happen at all if the stadium is not up and running. It's a shame that things have come down to this though. Sporting infrastructure generally in Jamaica, and especially our Mecca, the National Stadium, has been treated like a bastard child. Despite all the great sporting heroes, moments, and memories that all owe their existence to the National Stadium. And now, it's been treated still like a bastard child. All right, Jack.